In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shopping cart to Wix website. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, clickable cart icon on your site that connects to your store and makes checkout straightforward for your visitors. First, you'll need the Wix Stores app installed. This is the official e-commerce solution from Wix, and it adds all the essential store features behind the scenes. In your site's editor, look to the left-hand panel and click the App Market icon. In the search bar, type Wix Stores, then select it and click Install. Give it a moment to set up. When it finishes, Wix will automatically create your store pages and shopping cart for you, so the core structure is ready without any extra manual work. Sometimes the setup will also add a shopping cart icon to your site's header automatically. If you already see a small cart icon at the top of your site, you're set on placement and can jump straight to customizing it. If it doesn't appear, no worries, adding it is quick. Click the plus icon at the top left of the editor to open the Add menu. From there, go to Store, then choose Cart Icon. Click and drag the cart icon onto your page and drop it where you want it to live, typically in the header so it's visible on every page. Position it near your site's navigation or opposite your logo for balance, and align it so it doesn't overlap other elements. Now, click the cart icon and select Settings. This is where you'll adjust the icon's style, color, and overall design so it fits your brand. You can choose different icon styles, tweak the colors to match your palette, and adjust the size so it looks crisp on both desktop and mobile. If your theme has a light header, consider a darker icon for contrast. If your header is dark, a lighter icon will pop. You can also adjust spacing to keep it visually consistent with nearby buttons or menus. As you make changes, you'll see updates in the editor in real time, so take a moment to fine-tune until it feels just right. And that's it. With Wix Stores installed, your store pages and shopping cart are set up, and your cart icon is placed and styled to match your site. Visitors can now add products and access their cart from anywhere on your site, making the shopping experience smooth and professional.